Hello friends, welcome back to SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in NX software. The base dimension is 100 by 50, thickness is 10 mm. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me friends. Select model units millimeter. So if you want, you can change the name here and change the location also. I will save with my desktop. Select extrude, select the plane, select line 100 mm, mm, 60, 30 mm, join the line. Select circle, mm, select trim, select again circle 20 mm. So finish sketch, select here symmetric value 25 mm. Okay. Next there is a 10 mm thickness rib back side. Go to more, select rib. Friends, if you are enjoying this session, please hit the like button. Select this surface, select line, okay, sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Here actually symmetric is there, we require only one side, so reverse the direction. Thickness is 10 mm. Okay. Select edge blend, give 5 mm, select this edge. Select chamfer, give 1 mm, select this hole. Okay. So that's it friends, it is a basic part only. So you can assign the material here. Go to tools, material, assign material. I will go with steel. Okay. And also we can change the color, edit, object display, select the entire body. Okay, here select color, which color you want, assign here. Okay. Finally save the part, Ctrl S. Okay friend, that's it. Once again I am requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends.